Guess what? I'm in front of the Airbus A380, and this is the closest I have been to any aeroplane, the ground. What a massive aeroplane. Hello friends, welcome to the video. Today I am going to take you to the Paris Air and Space Museum. Let's go. We are now at the old Paris airport, and the museum is currently inside this airport. Obviously, the first sections of the museum are about the history of flights and models of old airplanes. I'm more interested in the modern flights, so I'm just gonna rush through this section. Oh, that's the Airbus A380. Wow. And we have a couple of private jets as well. Wow, there's a 747. Nice. Wow, it feels like I'm in the tarmac of an airport. And this is actually this used to be an airport back in the day. And now this is an exhibition center. So cool. Wow. This is the closest I have been to the A380 outside, and I'm right underneath the wings. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my god. I have no words to say. Amazing, man. Look at those tires. I think there are around 20 tires. The massive engines, wow. Oh my god. Let's get closer to the tires and wow. So if you ever wondered what's inside the engine of A380 from the back, this is how it looks. Oh, too bad the front of the engine is covered. It would have been a nice view otherwise. Yes. Wow. So here's the landing gear. The massive tires, wow. So I think we have covered enough of the Airbus A380. Now let's check out the 747 there. That's the next thing in this museum. Wow. And this airplane looks pretty cool. And I remember this from one of those cartoon shows. I don't remember the name, but I remember the plane. So I looked it up, and the name of the cartoon is Tailspin, and it had a very similar looking aeroplane. And I remember that I used to watch that cartoon just to see that aeroplane. So we have the Air France 747. So we are right now at the rear of the 747 engine, and we can actually touch it. It is reachable. And there are the blades, fan blades. So this 747 engine is not covered, unlike the A380. I guess this plane is retired, but the A380 must still be in service. Here's the view of 747 from under the nose tip. So this is the Air France Boeing 747, the queen of the skies. Okay, so it looks as we can enter the inside of 747. Let's try that. Okay. So I guess this used to be the configuration of the airplane. This must be the business class, and this could be the economy. If you ever wondered how it's inside the toilet of an aeroplane, this is it. And this is the galley where the crew prepares the food before they serve them. So let's go down to the cargo space. I think that's the landing gear. Now let's check out the top of the 747. It's quite narrow. Oh, that's the cockpit. The instrument panels are still lit up. Nice. So that was a nice exhibition of the Boeing 747. I have never traveled in a 747, and I don't think I will get to travel because 747s are getting retired. There are only few, but at least I could say that I have been inside one, and that's good. So these are the section for the military airplanes, and there are a couple of them. I'm not sure what models they are. I'm not a military plane fan, I'm a commercial flight fan. And here is the rocket. that I guess was used by the European Space Agency. So this is the Ariane 5 um, commercial satellite launcher rocket. And this is what under it looks like. So these are a bunch of airplanes, I guess, related to the French military and marines. But I'm not aware of these models and I'm not concerned. I'm mainly interested in the Boeing 747 and the Airbus A380, and I had a good time exploring them. Now let's check out the other parts of the museum. I think we have more exhibitions and airplane models in those buildings. So let's explore them. These are the different warplanes used by the French military in the 20th century.
C'est bien le bruit que ça faisait, c'est pas mal. Oh, qu'est-ce qu'il pilote là? Excellent.
Oh, we are now arriving at the Museum of Concorde. Let's check it out. Wow, man. Let's go inside the Concorde. My head was almost touching the ceiling. The seats are actually quite low. I don't know how we can sit here. Let's check out the other cabin. Let's check out the other Concorde. Wow, that's the cockpit of the Concorde. Nice. So these are the main highlights from my exploration in the Paris Air and Space Museum. I would highly recommend you to visit this place if you are into aeroplanes and other flying machines. Anyways, that's it for this video. Feel free to check out my other videos in the channel. We will see again on the next video. Till then, take care and bye.